Hey, welcome back. Every week, thousands of new projects get uploaded to GitHub. Most of them never get noticed, but once in a while, a project comes out that makes people ask, how is this free? Today's list is full of projects like that. Some can create videos with AI. Some can do hours of research completely on their own. Others can make your entire coding workflow faster. The best part? They're all open source. 12 projects today. Let's get started. Tool 1. DeerFlow. Most AI assistants are great at quick questions. Give them something that takes hours and they fall apart. DeerFlow doesn't. ByteDance open-sourced it in February 2026. Within 24 hours, it hit #1 on GitHub trending. Within 3 months, it crossed 60,000 stars. Here's why it's different. DeerFlow gives the AI its own actual computer, a sandboxed container with a real file system and a terminal. It doesn't just talk about running a script, it runs it. It breaks a big task into smaller jobs, spawns sub-agents to handle each one, and keeps working for hours without losing track of the goal. Ask it to research a market, build a dashboard, and write a report, and it does all three, start to finish, on its own. This is what AI doing real work actually looks like. Tool 2. SkillSpector. Installing an AI tool from GitHub takes 10 seconds. Knowing if it's actually safe takes a lot more thought, unless you skip that step entirely. Most people skip it. SkillSpector is built for the people who shouldn't. Before you install an AI skill or plugin, it scans for malicious code, prompt injection, hidden permissions, and data leaks. Works on GitHub repos, local folders, zip files, individual files, anything. As AI agents get more autonomous and more connected to your systems, this single scan becomes the difference between that looked useful and that quietly had access to everything. Tool 3. OpenMontage. Making a good video usually takes a lot of time. Write the script, find images and clips, add voiceover, choose music, edit everything together. OpenMontage collapses all 5 steps into one. You describe the video you want. The AI writes the script, plans the scenes, generates the visuals, adds music, and assembles the final cut. It can even take an existing video as style inspiration and recreate that look, while still letting you change anything. For YouTube videos, product demos, or cinematic trailers, this turns a multi-day process into a single afternoon. Tool 4. Matt Pocock skills. Here's something most people get wrong about AI coding. The model isn't the bottleneck, the instructions are. Matt Pocock is one of the most respected TypeScript educators working today, and this project packages his actual coding philosophy into skills your AI can follow. It reviews your code with that standard in mind, suggests improvements based on real best practices, explains why one approach beats another, not just what to change. The goal isn't more code. It's code that a senior engineer would actually approve. If you're already coding with AI, this is the difference between code that works and code that's actually good. Tool 5, Voicebox AI voice tools are everywhere right now. Most of them want a monthly card on file. Voicebox runs the whole thing on your own machine instead. Clone a voice, convert speech to text, turn text into natural audio, talk to your AI assistant out loud, all in one local platform. No subscription, no usage cap, and your voice data never leaves your computer. For creators and builders working with audio constantly, this is the kind of tool you install once and never uninstall. Tool 6. Codebase, Memory MCP. Every developer has hit this wall. A project with thousands of files. You need one function, and finding it eats 20 minutes. Codebase Memory MCP removes the search entirely. It builds a complete map of your codebase up front, so when you ask the AI a question, it already knows where to look. Where is this API used? Which files depend on this function? Explain how this feature actually works. Answers in seconds. Across more than 150 languages, even on massive repositories that would normally choke a normal search. For anyone coding with AI daily, This isn't a nice to have, it's a missing piece. Tool 7, Hermes Agent. Here's one of the fastest growing AI projects on GitHub right now. Hermes Agent doesn't answer one question and stop. It plans the work, picks the right tools, executes the plan, and when something fails, it doesn't give up. It tries a different approach until the task is actually finished. Coding, research, full workflow automation. Hermes keeps going long after a normal chatbot would have stopped and asked you what to do next. This is one of the clearest examples yet of where AI agents are heading, from answering questions to actually finishing jobs. Tool 8, Hyperframes. Animations make any demo look professional. Making them usually means learning complex software. Hyperframes skips that entirely. Write your animation in HTML and CSS, code you might already know, and it renders directly into a high-quality MP4 video. No editing timeline, no keyframe panels, just code in, polished motion graphics out. If you've ever wanted product demos that look like they came from a design agency without hiring one, this is how. Tool 9, Anthropic Cybersecurity Skills. AI is writing more code than ever before. The part people forget. Writing code and writing secure code aren't the same skill. Anthropic Cybersecurity Skills closes that gap. Once installed, your AI reviews code with real security knowledge, flagging common vulnerabilities, suggesting safer patterns, and catching mistakes before they ship. Think of it as a senior security engineer quietly reviewing every line your AI writes before you ever see it. For anyone building anything that touches user data, this is the kind of protection that's easy to skip and expensive to regret. Tool 10. Palmier AI. Editing a video often takes longer than recording it. Cutting clips, adding transitions, fixing audio, moving scenes around. It adds up fast. Palmier AI removes the manual grind. Tell your AI assistant what you want, remove the silent parts, generate subtitles, trim the intro, add a transition, and it does the editing for you. It even connects to coding assistants like Cursor and Claude through MCP, so you can control your entire editing workflow through a simple prompt instead of clicking through menus for 20 minutes. For anyone publishing video content weekly, this gets hours back every single time you sit down to edit. Tool 11, OCR/VLM research papers, invoices, scanned reports. Finding one detail buried inside a PDF can eat an entire afternoon. OCR/VLM was built to make that search instant. It doesn't just read the text on the page, it understands the layout, where tables sit, where headings are, which section actually answers your question. Ask it to find a specific number in a 40-page financial report, and it points you straight to it, instead of you scrolling through every page. For anyone who deals with PDFs regularly, this turns searching a document into asking a document. Tool 12, GStack. Last one for today. Most people building an app skip straight to coding. No plan, no review, no second look before something gets built wrong. GStack forces a better process. Before any code gets written, it makes the AI think first, plan the features, review the idea, check for obvious problems, and only then start building. It even runs multiple review passes to catch issues before you ever see the final result. If you've ever watched an AI confidently build the wrong thing because nobody asked it to slow down first, GStack is the fix for that exact moment. And that's the list. 12 open source projects that prove you don't need expensive software to build genuinely impressive things. Some of these save you time, some save you money. A few might change how you work with AI entirely. Tell me in the comments, which one are you trying first? If you know a GitHub project that deserves a spot in the next video, drop it below. Like this video if you found something worth using, and subscribe. New GitHub tools, AI projects, and useful software every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.